Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Snowflake. This is about Snowflake storage cost. There are two plans available regarding to the storage cost in Snowflake. One is on demand, another one is pre-purchased. This is similar to the mobile plans where we are calling it as prepaid and postpaid. Likewise, here we call it as on demand and pre-purchased. On demand means if you started working for the first time, the customers are charged a fixed rate for the services for the consumption and are billed in arrears for every month. Okay, based on the consumption only, we will get the bill. Then common price across the regions depends on the cloud service provider. Normally, it will be common price only across the regions means they will be having the service in India at Mumbai, and they will be having one more cloud service that server at Singapore and UK like that. So it will be common across the region, but sometimes it depends upon the cloud service provider. Some that Microsoft Azure might be having some pricing policy, and Google might be having some other pricing policy. So sometimes it may differ. Okay, even though it is common price, and it totally under discretion of the CSP. Then what is the meaning of the pre-purchased? Pre-purchased means we will pay the amount initially and we will buy the storage space. What is the disadvantage is if you are paying more, and if you are using the less storage space, that means, for example, if you are getting some 5 GB space, we are paying for the 5 GB space, and if we are using only for 2 GB means, then the extra price that money we have paid for the another 2 GB is totally wasted. Okay, we are not going to use it. So this will be huge in case of the Snowflake. But in our real time and life, we will be paying much, not much for the mobile phones, only 100, 200 like that. That is not a big thing. But in the case of the production environment, the bills will be very huge. So we have to be very careful in selecting this options, that price plans. The popular way of going about the price strategy when we are new means for the first time if you are using the Snowflake means, and if you are unsure what is the exact bill we will be getting, the first and best option is to go for the on demand. Normally we will get confused which plans we have to go, either pre-purchase or on demand. Best thing is go for on demand, and later on you can switch over to the pre-purchased based on the demand cycle. That means once you start working, you can easily know how much storage space is required and what are all the requirements and how much workload, everything you can easily understand after 2 to 3 months. Once you monitor the things very closely, you can easily understand it. Then you can switch for the pre-purchased. So there are two plans available. One is on demand, another one is pre-purchase. This is about the storage cost of the Snowflake.